ça bien? I can hear you. So I hope that you all are learning my French lessons well. All the best. Keep learning. So today, I, Garima Malik, Head International Languages DBS, has prepared a lesson for the reason that I promised you to give you pronunciation rules with the tricks to learn speaking French very fluently. So let's start with our first ground, that is the alphabets. You all can see at my back I have written alphabets. That is not in English, that is in French. Yes, it is same in English and French both. Let's learn how to pronounce them in French. Let's learn its pronunciation with the help of a song. So just repeat after me. Let's get started. A, B, C, D, U, F, Z. Good. Repeat. A, B, C, D, U, F, Z. H, E, Z, K, L, M, N, O. Repeat. H, E, Z, K, L, M, N, O. Good. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Again, let's repeat. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z. Yes, we learned the pronunciation of the alphabets very efficiently. After the alphabets, now I will give you just 3 rules with which you would be speaking the pronunciation of French words very efficiently. First, A is spoken as A and E is spoken as A. So wherever you see A, it would be A, and wherever you see E, it would be A. Very good. After that, wherever you see word H, it is always silent in French. Now you will say, ma'am, here you said H as ash and now you are saying H as silence. Yes, it is true, because H, whenever somebody asks you the spelling of some word and there you have H word, there you would be saying H as H alphabet as ash, and if you want to pronounce that word and that word has H, it would be silent. After that, the last, the very important one. In French, the consonant at the end of word is always silent. It means whenever there is a consonant at the end, it will never be spoken. But my dear children, we do have exceptions that I'll be teaching you in my future videos. First, I can give you an example also. You remember I spoke como, that was C-O-M-M-E-N-T. I didn't speak T, I said como. Then we spoke tra, that was T-R-E-S. I didn't speak S, I just spoke tra. So the rule is clear to you all. All the best. Keep practicing. We'll meet again. Au revoir. A bientôt.